Hi, and welcome to my Ask a Massage Therapist series. This is where I answer your massage therapy questions and while I drive to work. So today's question is, how often should I receive a massage? And the answer to this question is an individualized answer. It's not one that I can really answer. I can answer 100% on a full, like as a general answer. But there are some things that I do take into consideration when I do make a recommendation to a client. The first thing that I look at is I look at what are your goals for the session. So are you there for pain relief? Are you there for relaxation? Is this part of a wellness program that you're wanting, that you're putting together for yourself? So I look at those, and then I look at whether I can help you to meet those goals. So do I do the therapy that you're looking for? I am a wonderful massage therapist. I'm awesome, but I don't do everything. And so I do have a group of therapists, about 8 therapists that I actually recommend people go see if I'm not able to give them the type of therapy that they're looking for. So if I can help you meet your goals and I feel like I'm a therapist that might be a good fit for you, I'm going to recommend that you come in and see me for your first session, because that first session is going to actually tell me whether or not I'm really going to be able to help you. It tells me what type of tension that your body's holding. Do you have very specific areas of tension, or are you a more broad area of tension? What does this look like when it comes to like how your body reacts? So when I start working, does your body say, okay, I am so ready to just let this all go and and starts to relax? Or does your body say, nope, not ready just yet, and it takes a little bit longer and a little bit more time to really be able to get that body to really respond to the massage? Sorry, some traffic. So once I have all of these 3 things, your goals, whether I can help you or not, do I do what you're looking for, and then how your body responds, that's when I can really give you a recommendation of how often to receive a massage. I do have a basis on what I do. Like I said, the goals is the number one thing that I look at. And so that's kind of where I start building the recommendation that I'm going to give you. So if you come in and you tell me, I'm here for relaxation, I want full body massage, you might have 1 or 2 areas where you want me to focus, like your neck or your back, or, I sit at a desk all day, or, stuff like that, where you're just like, I just want to relax. Then I'm going to look at you. My recommendation is most likely going to be roughly around once a month to 1 to 2 times a month. So you're looking at once every 2, 3, or 4 weeks to come in and receive a massage. Once a month is probably the most I say you should go without receiving a massage. And that's just because we all have this wonderful stressor called gravity that holds us down, and our muscles fight against gravity every single day. So even like that is the least massage I think that anyone should receive, is once a month. But if you have, more tension than once a month, then I'm going to refer to a little bit more. Like say, okay, come in twice a month. Come in once a week for the next 2 weeks, or come in once every 2 weeks for the next 2 months, and then we'll see where we're at. Stuff like that. So if you're coming in for pain relief is a whole different ball of wax. Chances are I'm going to look and we're going to ask a lot more probing questions. I've done a video on this before, so I'm not going to go too deep into it. But when I find out like what I'm dealing with when it comes to pain relief, what kind of pain, how long you've had that pain, how well your body responds, I'm going to then suggest anywhere normally between a couple times a week to once every 2 weeks. Again, this is going to really depend on how much pain you're in, how often, what causes the pain. There's a lot more questions that I ask when it comes to pain relief massage that I say, okay, let me make this official recommendation. With like if you, let's say you're an athlete and you come in and you want to prevent an injury, or you're just you're an athlete, you want to come in and receive massage to help your body recover or whatever for maintenance massage work. So at that point, I'm going to ask, what type of athlete are you? Are you a recreational athlete? Are you an amateur athlete hoping to become professional? Are you a weekend warrior? What type of athletic stuff do you do? I have a client, she works out 6 times a week. My recommendation to her was, during your competition series, because she is a competitive athlete, I said, during competition series, come and see me once a week. And then during your non-competition, come see me once every other week. And that's just because that's all she really needs as a client. That's all her body really needs. And so it all depends on what you're going to be doing. But I might suggest once a week or once every other week. Generally speaking, what I'll do is I'll work on someone. If you work out 6 days a week, I'll say come in after your last day of workout, right before your day of rest. That way we can get you started on that recovery time. If you are suffering from an injury, where you are rehabilitating from an injury, you're seeing a physical therapist or a chiropractor, and you are recovering from an injury or even a surgery, these are the ones that I say come in a lot more often. Come in once to twice a week. If you're seeing a physical therapist, I like to see my clients who see physical therapists and chiropractors the same number of times that they see the other professionals that are there. So if you see your physical therapist 3 times a week, I'm going to want to see you about 3 times a week. I want to know what you're doing in your physical therapy so I can take my massage and match it up to what you're doing in physical therapy or with your chiropractor. That way I'm not working against them. And I'm just trying to help you recover faster from whatever injury or surgery that you might have had. So with that being said, you should come on in. If you want more information, you can check out my website, www.pinpoint-massage.com. You can find me on Facebook, or you can call me at 346-276-0299. Hope to see you guys next week. Bye.